Yeah, hello. Yeah, so welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name still remain the same. I'm Ken Rhymes, a co-founder of Frando Technology Company. Yeah, so welcome you all to my fresh and new episode on my humble and novel platform. Here, let's talk about how to make money online, how to start your own online business, and how to do the arbitrage. Yeah, so we just woke up in the morning and we heard some news in Nigeria that most of this forex trading platform or cryptocurrency platform has been banned in Nigeria. It's alleged. Yeah, it's alleged. Yeah. But right now, if you go to P2P and you're in Nigeria, and if you go to P2P right now, you will not see Nigeria or Naira trade in it. So I'm here to solve all the problems for you. And after that, I will show you a simple way to recreate an account. Yeah. So if you are in Nigeria right now, and if you open your Binance account and it's open, all right, and you want to do a P2P arbitrage and you go to sell right now, I can see that some of the Ghanaians sellers are selling most of their cryptocurrencies, or they are buying most of cryptocurrencies from Nigerians. Yeah, so you can see that these people, that like First Bank of Nigeria, and you see they are buying it from Nigerians because like right now, if you're in Nigeria and you have cryptocurrency in your Binance, all you're doing is what to sell it fast before it will cast. It's that thing. Yeah. So simple way that you can sell your cryptocurrency in P2P is that when you come to P2P, that enter the amount, switch the amounts from that place to Ghana cedis. Ghana cedis. Yeah. So listen to me very carefully. Switch the amount to Ghana cedis, and this thing you can do this thing, and you receive the money in your bank account. Bank accounts. Yeah. So like if I want to jump straight to this trade with this person, so let's say I have 100 USDT. This person will be what will be will be paying me 2,528 Ghana cedis. But the thing is, I have to receive the money in what my bank wallet. You see that in my bank wallet. So if you have Fidelity Bank, Bank of Nigeria, blah 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 blah, blah, you go to sell, then the country you select GHS, then you sell it, and the money will be in your Ghana cedis account. So this is how we do it. So like if especially if you are like a trader or a YouTuber, when you provide your bank details to this platform, when they send the money, the bank will exchange the money for you. So in this case, if I sent you the money in Ghana cedis in your accounts, then your bank in Nigeria will exchange the money from Ghana cedis to Naira. I hope you understand it. Yeah. So if you're in Nigeria right now and you want to sell your cryptocurrency, try to sell it to this vendors in Ghana, and you'll receive your money in your Nigeria bank account, and they'll convert it to Naira for you to cash out. So that's one way of for selling it. And the other way too that you can sell it is by you transferring the money. This I'm doing this for people who are able to open their Binance accounts right now. Yeah. So the other way is by you withdrawing your money or withdrawing the cryptocurrency from Binance to Xnex. Then you sell it over here. You exchange the money over here. Though I've seen that most of the platform have been have been closed in Nigeria, but Exchange is not just closed in Nigeria. I haven't seen Exchange yet. So you can transfer the money from Binance to Exchange and you do your trade over there. You see that thing? And if you're opening the account and account is not open, this for you. You go to your Play Store, then you download VPN Super. You download this thing, VPN Super. Yeah. So you download VPN Super. Then you change your location from Nigeria to US or UK. That one you'll be able to open the Binance. Is that thing? So when you open the this VPN, you go to you go to this thing. This is the free session. So you search for any country that you can search France, UK, US. Then you connect it. When it's connected, you can open your Binance account and you start doing this thing I'm talking about. So when you connect the VPN, you go to your Binance, then you do the trade I'm talking about, or you withdraw your money from the account to your exchange account and exchange it over there. I hope it's clear. Yeah, because right now some people are able to open their account, but they can't do the P2P arbitrage, like they can't sell it. Yeah, and others too are not able to open their account. And if you're not able to open the account, that's why I'm saying that then you have to download VPN Super and change your location. And if you change your location, you cannot sell your USDT, or you can withdraw your USDT from Binance to other platform and sell it. But if you're able to open the account, when you go to your P2P market, you will not see Nigeria traders over there. So you have to search for GHS. You see, yeah, you have to search for GHS. Then you sell to, because this GHS, they receive money. First Bank of Nigeria, Zenith Bank, GT Bank, bank transfer, Access Bank, you see that thing. Yeah, so you can do this thing with these people too. Yeah. So I think this video will solve the problem. And if you don't understand it, then you can leave your comments and I will solve it for you. So thank you for watching me, and I'm out.